Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video we are making chocolate cake, and I've just started by sifting in my all-purpose flour into a mixing bowl. That's bay leaf. I normally add bay leaf into my flour container to prevent wafers from entering it. Next, I'll add half cup of cocoa powder into the sifted flour. I'm using 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Then I'll add baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I will also add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix everything together. Add 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of sugar, and a 3/4 cup of milk, which I added a 2 teaspoons of white vinegar to turn it into a buttermilk. After mixing the wet ingredients, I'll bring back the dry ingredients and mix together with the wet ingredients. Of hot water. This will help to dissolve the cocoa powder and give it that smooth batter. Yeah. Add the batter into my cake pan, which I've already greased with some oil. As usual, my oven is also preheating there. And I transferred the remaining of the batter into my cupcake pan. And here we have our chocolate cake, so yummy and delicious. I baked this at 180 degrees for about 50 minutes. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and share. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.